Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another review of a pair of boxing gloves that I've recently received. I've been posting a lot of full fights and highlights recently, so it'd be good to bring it back to a review of a pair of gloves that I've been looking forward to trying out. These have been very nicely sent to me by TopBoxer to review, and this is going to be a review of the TopBoxer Aliens. So I've just received these today. I'm going to be doing this review in 3 parts. This is my first look, then I'm going to cut this video here and I'm going to be training with them for a few days, then I'll come back and I'll tell you guys how I found them. So this is the TopBoxer Alien. This is their kind of Mexican inspired glove. I won't mention any brands because we all know, what Mexican inspired gloves are inspired by. But yeah, this is the Mexican inspired glove, so this is more of a puncher's glove. I do know they have a Win one as well, which is kind of like a Japanese inspired glove. Again, I'm not going to mention brands. We all know the main Japanese glove brand. But yeah, this is the Mexican style one. So what this means by a puncher's glove is the punch surface, as you can see, is a little more flat. These are 14 ounce, by the way, as it says on the label. These are also, I received these, I didn't know what colour I was going to be getting or if I was going to get Velcro lace-ups. I got sent a pair of lace-ups, which I'm very thankful for. Thank you for sending me some lace-ups, TopBoxer, because I do prefer lace-ups. So I usually like to pair them with a lace-up glove converter, like lace and loop and stuff like that. I've got a review of something similar like that to do anyway, that I bought for these gloves. But this is the, I don't think it's new, brand new, but I think it's one of the newer designs from TopBoxer. And it's like a snake skin. I don't know how well you guys will be able to see it. You can kind of see it there. It'll be probably, there you go. There, you see that snake skin design on the glove? I really like it. It's not something I would actually usually go for, but I do really like it. So anyway, back to what I was saying. Puncher's glove. Flatter punching surface. You get a lot more kind of pop and punch feedback in your punches. You've got that kind of Mexican style bulge on your index finger that kind of goes over the thumb, almost like a thumb in protector. And you also have that Mexican style thumb, which is like the flared out thumb. So I'm going to get the other glove. I'm going to put one of these on and show you guys. So first thoughts, they are very compact at first. I'm guessing these are going to have a little wear-in period or breaking-in period. I don't know how I would do if I tried to fit my big bulky wraps in these at the moment, but they do fit really nicely. You can see how that you can actually see how that kind of already is very form-fitting to my hand, and you can open and close fairly well, which is great out of the box, as they say. There you can see the Mexican style thumb. It's, as you can see, a little bit more flared out compared to some other gloves. Again, they're Japanese style inspired Win one gloves. Are obviously very similar in construction, but a little bit different in shape, of course. Japanese glove is going to be very different in shape to a Mexican style. There you can really see that traditional Mexican shape with the flatter punching surface. You're going to get some really nice crack on these from the pads. I really like the TopBoxer in silver because I have reviewed a pair of TopBoxer's old school boxing gloves. If you guys haven't seen that review, go and check that out. And that actually had gold TopBoxer, I believe, on there, but these are in silver, which I think goes really nice as a contrast to the all black colorway of the snakeskin. There you go, you can kind of see that. So they use a 3-layer foam, which is going to be really good for protecting your knuckles. I am going to be using these on mitts and probably a bit of sparring and also bags this week, so I'll be able to give you guys a decent kind of overview of how it performs in each kind of role. What else? The piping on these gloves is actually really nicely done. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but the actual piping on the glove is quite a thick piping, but I really like it. It's really, really well done. The stitching on this glove seems to be amazing out the box. You got those holes on the thumb for breathability and a few here as well. And it also uses what TopBoxer call their Playboy lining, which is this kind of really moisture wicking, supple kind of inside liner. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see that because this whole glove is black, but it's like a really nice kind of lining, really comfortable on the hands, and also really good for once you're sweating them. I think they're really nice. Oops. But yeah, straight off the bat, my hands fit in really, really nicely. I'll put both pairs on right now. Give me a second. I love receiving new gloves. So again, big shout out to TopBoxer for actually sending me these. And there you go. So as you can see, they're really nicely built. And I love the snakeskin pattern. So I'm going to get training with these in this week. And I'll be back with you guys once I've trained in them. And I'll let you know the comfortability, the durability, and you know, how they are. There you can really see that kind of Mexican shape there. I love it. But yeah, thanks for watching the first half of the review. I'll be back in a few days and yeah, we'll see. Hey everyone, welcome back to the second half of the review. For you guys it has been 1 second, for me it has been about a week. I'm excited to do the review again now that I've actually used them in training. I've got quite a bit of use out of them. I've trained every day this week for about, I'd say maybe about 5 or 6 days, probably about a week of using these every day. As you can see, they're still in good shape, of course, as you would expect. It's only been a week, it's not been that long. But you can see that they've been used a bit with a few of these indents here and stuff like that. And I have to say, these are really nice gloves. The feedback that I get on the bags and on the pads with these gloves is just really, really good. Because of that Mexican style shape, you can actually see it. I dare say now that the cuff has been worn in, because I've been using these with lace converters, now that the cuff has actually been kind of laced up and stuff, you can actually really see that Mexican shape a lot more, which I actually really like. So if you guys give me just a moment, I'll put these up. These are the strap and seal lace converters, by the way, guys. But you can really see that kind of Mexican shape now coming through a lot more now that the cuff is actually being used and had laces wrapped around it. But they're really nice gloves. On the bag, these give me a lot of feedback. I would say if you're looking for a really, really, really protective glove for your knuckles, I wouldn't say that these are the most protective for your knuckles as such on the bag. You get really good feedback. These are definitely a puncher's glove. These are brilliant for mitt work. I love using these on pads. That's mainly what I've used them for. Again, these are the 14 ounces. On pads, these are kind of, again, it's that Mexican style. They're very built for feedback, and I think that's really good. I get some really, really good feedback and punch feedback and crack on the pads with these, and they fit me even better now. As you can see, I can still easily open that palm for parrying shots. I have used these in sparring as well. I'm going to put a little bit of footage of bag work and stuff with me using these at the beginning. As you can see, I didn't actually show the leather before, but it's not too hard. It's about medium density, probably more leaning towards the soft end, but this is like a 3-layer foam technology. You can see that kind of ridge there. I really like them. They're just really nice. I would give these a 8 out of 10 for bag work. The reason I'm giving them an 8 is because if you're looking for something with lots of punch feedback and a lot of snap for bags, these are what you're gonna want. If you're looking for something that is extremely cushioned and protective for your hands, these might not be it. You might be better off going with TopBoxer's Win 1 glove, which is more like a winning glove, very cushioned. Again, this is more of a Mexican style glove. So that's the reason I'm giving them an 8 out of 10 on the bags, because of the snap but limited protection. But again, that's not really what these gloves are designed towards. They're more of a puncher's glove. I'd give these a good 9 out of 10 on the pads. These are really, really good on pads. They're so nice that they're very compact, which I also like, which is great for pad work. And I feel like I can do lots of rounds with these. These aren't too cumbersome. That's another thing I really like about them, is how compact they are. Again, these are 14s. But all in all, solid glove. I can see these holding up for a long time. I've used these every day this week, and they're not even really that marked on the punch surface. Again, that snake pattern is really coming through nicely still. And I have a feeling that these are going to last a long, long time. The lining, they still don't smell. The lining's very moisture wicking, really nice. I forgot to show you guys actually as well in the first half of the glove review. They have a really nice grip bar on them as well, as you can see going across. I feel like I can really clamp a fist down on there. That is another thing that these gloves do really well. That thumb is perfectly placed I can make such a really good fist there, as you can see. But all in all, really good gloves by TopBoxer. Would definitely recommend them. Thank you again for TopBoxer sending me these to review. They haven't paid me for anything I've said, by the way, but they have sent them to review. I really appreciate that. And I'll see you guys in another review soon enough. I do have some Everlast Elite line gloves to do, not the Sports Direct ones, the real Everlast ones. But yeah, these are really, really good gloves. I highly recommend them. I'll link them in the description. Again, shout out to TopBoxer for sending me these. And yeah, if you guys haven't checked out my review of the TopBoxer old school boxing gloves I also have on the channel, go and check those out. But again, TopBoxer Alien 14-ounce gloves. These are the snakeskin ones. Really, really good. Recommend them. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next review. Take care, guys.